Rupse Waterfalls is one of the most beautiful natural waterfall in Nepal. It is located in Myagdi District on the Beni-Jomsom highway at the place called Dana VDC. Rupse has a height of 300 meters, and it is 110 kilometers far from Pokhara, or about 48 kilometers either from Jomsom, Mustang, or from Beni, Myagdi. The view is truly breathtaking, and you can feel the sparkling of water while even standing on the roadside. There is also a walking hike to reach closer to the upper part of falls, which is also great. A must-to-stop location and most picturorious spot on the way to Jomsom.